Hey, I'm Alec, and today I'm going to show you how to get your 3D prints displayed at MatterHackers HQ. If you've been a part of the 3D printing community, you should be well aware of just how creative everybody out there is. And at MatterHackers, we really want to show off that side of the community. So what we've done is we've dedicated wall space in our office to just be a place to display some 3D prints that the community has. And we've set out to use these hex tiles. We want to take ours and make it something that you can do really whatever you want with, whether it's putting some flowers around your name or making a meme and printing that out, or just something silly that you want to print out and have displayed in our office. We are totally open to all sorts of creativity. So the first thing you need to do is you need to make sure that the actual hexagon that you are making is 150 millimeters from tip to tip. So now that you have the base, you need to make sure that from the base of the hexagon to the top of your object is no greater than 75 millimeters, which is about 3 inches. The third thing you want to make sure you do is that whatever objects you put on top of the hexagon don't go outside the border. And this is just to make sure that when we hang these up, they don't interfere with each other and have people's blocking in each other. So there will be some allowance between each of them so that there's a little more contrast when they're displayed, but you just want to make sure that all of your objects stay within the boundary. Now, while we do value the creativity that the community has, please don't be obscene with the hex tiles that you create. Just be sure to keep it PG. We also have all of these instructions and design criteria listed in an article down below. So other than that, you are free to start making. Whether you're using a 3D printer, a 3D carver, you want to mold and cast one, or laser cut it, and you can print these in PLA, ABS, nylon, anything. Make it however you want. You can carve it and use a little bit of burning to give it a little character, print it in a ton of different colors, do some layer swaps, glue things together, anything. Come up with any different way to make one of these and we will be happy. Be sure to fill out the form linked in the description to make sure that when we do receive your tile, we actually have a name and an email address that's associated with it, and we don't just have a pile of nameless hex tiles. Now, also be sure to include in the package or envelope or whatever you're sending your hex tile in, include your name and your email address, because for every participant, we will be sending you a discount code to the MatterHackers store. And for more details on that, that will be listed in the article. And now that you have that, start rolling. Start creating, modeling, crafting, do whatever you need to make that hex tile, because what we have right now is basically just internal coworkers made their hex tiles, and while they are pretty cool, they are pretty funny, I know that what you guys are gonna come up with are just gonna blow the rest of us away. So I really look forward to what you can come up with and being able to hang them up and display them with everybody. I'm Alec from MatterHackers, looking forward to your hex tiles, and happy printing.
Thank you for watching. If you liked that, subscribe to our channel to keep up to date with all of our videos. And remember, go to matterhackers.com to shop for everything 3D printing.